Have you ever looked at a person and wondered, God, how does this person sound so confident and fluent in English? What is it that makes him stand out from the rest of the crowd? What is it that makes him exude so much of confidence? If you notice carefully, you will observe how distinctly, clearly and correctly this person pronounces words. Yes, you heard that right. Pronunciation is an integral part of effective English conversation skills, and it adds to your fluency in English. Likewise, mispronunciation downgrades your level of English, rendering it weak, mediocre and lackluster. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about 33 common English words that are often mispronounced, and we will also reveal how you can pronounce them correctly so that you can showcase your strength and command over the language. Hello everyone, this is me, Ayan, back with another episode on Shine and Outshine. Be limitless in your dreams and aspirations. So without wasting any time, let's quickly get started with this video. The first word is... So how do you pronounce this word? Plumber? No, not plumber. There are two ways of pronouncing this word. In British English, it is pronounced as plumber. Plumber. As you can see, both B and R are silent. In American English, it is pronounced as plumber. Plumber. B is silent. Let us take an example. The plumber attended our service call request and fixed our kitchen sink leakage. Please notice that in words where there is a combination of the letters M and B, the B is generally silent. For example, climb, thumb, comb, plumber, etc. Let us see what the next word is. So how do you pronounce this word? Often? Often? Well, in this case, both the pronunciation are correct. But the more popular one is where the T is silent. Often. Shelley often goes to the church on weekends to offer her prayers. Let us see what the next word is. So how do you pronounce it? Pronunciation? No. No pronunciation. It's pronunciation. It's pronunciation. As I said before, pronunciation is an integral part of effective English conversation skills, and it adds to your overall fluency in English. Let us see what the next word is. So how do you pronounce it? Is it police? No. Is it police? No. It is police. Police. The police are investigating the crime scene. You have to go to a police station to lodge the FIR. Let us see what the next word is. So how do you pronounce it? Soar? Soar? Well, both are incorrect. The correct pronunciation is shower. Shower. The restaurant is famous for its sweet and sour chicken soup. The next word is... So how do you pronounce this word? I know a lot of you pronounce it as comment, but this is a wrong pronunciation. The correct one is comment. Comment. Don't forget to leave a comment on my recent Facebook profile picture. The next word is bury. Bury. Not bury. Buried. Not buried. Buried alive. Not buried alive. You two, please bury the hatchet and be friends again. The next word is... So how do you pronounce this word? Coupon? No. Coupon. Coupon. We got a coupon discount on the apparels we purchased in the shopping mall. The next word is tuition. Tuition. Not tuition. No, not tuition. Tuition. The pronunciation is quite similar to the word intuition. In order to meet my monthly pocket expenses, I have started doing some tuitions. The next common word is... So how do you pronounce it? Receipt? No, not receipt. It is receipt. Receipt. P in this word is silent. The ATM machine has run out of paper and is not printing receipts now. The next pronunciation is slightly difficult. It is genre, genre, and not genre or genre. I love listening to all genres of music, but Sufi is my personal favorite. Let us see what the next word is. So how do you pronounce it? Vegetables? No, not vegetables. It is vegetables. Vegetables. I went to the market to buy some vegetables. The next word is. So how do you pronounce it? Cucumber? No, not cucumber. It's cucumber. Cucumber. Cucumber helps in combating constipation as it is packed with minerals, nutrients and vitamins. The next very common two words are woman and women and not woman and woman. No, no woman and no woman. No, woman and women. A woman exemplifies beauty, strength, courage and compassion. Women are the real architects of society. This is as per a famous saying. Let us see what the next word is. So how do you pronounce it? Is it vehicle? No, vehicle is wrong pronunciation. It is vehicle. Vehicle. I approached the nearby branch of a nationalized bank for a vehicle loan. Let us see what the next word is. So how do you pronounce it? Is it debt or debtor? Well, both are incorrect. The correct pronunciation is debt or debtor. One must always keep one's debt low so as to lead a stress-free life. Let us see what the next word is. So how do you pronounce it? Is it Wednesday? No, it is not Wednesday. It is Wednesday. Wednesday. I took a leave on Wednesday so that I could visit my ailing uncle. Let us see what the next word is. So how do you pronounce this word? Is it separate? No, it is not separate. It is separate. Separate. Let's not confuse cheese with butter. Those are two separate things. Let us see what the next word is. How do you pronounce this word? Is it desert? No, it is not desert. It is dessert. Dessert. Strawberry cheesecake is a dessert I absolutely relish. The other word desert has a single S in it and it refers to sand dunes. The Antarctic desert is the largest desert in the world. It is even larger than the Sahara desert. Let us see what the next word is. Is it carrier? No, it is not carrier. It is career. Career. The word carrier has a different spelling. It refers to the thing that you have at the back of the cycle to carry people or stuff. Tim sings so well, he can make a career out of it. Let us see what the next word is. So how do you pronounce it? Is it suit? No, it is not suit. It is sweet. Sweet. The suite allotted to us had a swimming pool facing view. Next up is this word. So how do you pronounce the word? Is it hotel? No, it is not hotel. It is hotel. Hotel. We got a glimpse of the mountains from the balcony of our hotel. The next word is really common and it is often mispronounced. So how do you pronounce it? Is it says? No, it is not says. It is says. Says. He says he will complete the work by tomorrow evening. He says he doesn't love football that much. Let us see what the next word is. Well, this is a very common one. So how do you actually pronounce it? Is it status? No, it is not status. It is status. Status. The status of my train tickets have changed from being in waiting list to being confirmed. The next commonly mispronounced word is iron, and it is not iron. It is iron. Iron. I need to iron my clothes so that I could go to the evening party. Let's see what the next word is. So how do you pronounce it? Is it resume? No, it is not resume. It is resume. Resume, also referred to as CV. I have uploaded my resume on the job application portal. The next very common word is, so how do you pronounce this one? Is it teacher? No, it is not teacher. It is teacher. Teacher. R is silent over here. My teacher is my inspiration. The next word, which is often mispronounced, is interesting. Interesting and not interesting. No, it is not interesting. It is interesting. Interesting. What an interesting match it was between Chelsea and Arsenal. What an interesting movie I saw yesterday. Let us see what the next word is. So how do you pronounce this one? Is it breakfast? No, it is not breakfast. It is breakfast. Breakfast. I had bread and butter in my breakfast today. Let us see what the next word is. So how do you pronounce this word? Is it subtle? No, it is not subtle. It is subtle. Subtle. B in this word is silent. There is a very subtle difference between both the shades of pink. So let us see what the next word is. Well, this is a very common word. So how do you pronounce it? Is it determine? No, it is not determine. It is determine. Determine. Determination? Determine. The final set will determine the outcome of the tennis match. The next word is a slightly difficult one, but one that you must know. So how do you pronounce it? Is it chauvinist? No, it is not chauvinist. It is chauvinist. Chauvinist. A chauvinist is a person who thinks one person is better than the other. A male chauvinist is a person who thinks men are better than women. Stop being a male chauvinist and get rid of your primitive thoughts. Let us see what the next word is. Is it hair? No, it is not hair. It is heir. Heir. H over here is silent. The young prince is the heir to the throne. Similar words where H is silent are honest and honorable. Let us see what the last word of the day is. So how do you pronounce it? Is it probably? No, it is not probably. It is probably. Probably. You probably know by now the correct pronunciation of all the commonly mispronounced words that we have discussed in this video. So those were the few common mispronounced words that you should start pronouncing correctly. Also, if there is any other common mispronounced word, please do let me know in the comment section below. And do start practicing right away so as to correct your pronunciation. See, practice is the only thing that will take you forward in your journey towards being a professional English speaker. So don't neglect and keep practicing. Also, if you enjoyed watching this video and want more such interesting videos on English learning and English speaking, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel Shine and Outshine, where we help you be limitless in your dreams and aspirations. Until we meet in our next video, it's me, Ayan, saying goodbye from Shine and Outshine.